back to the channel, you guys. So we're about to take the interior pieces off. This is about to be a video of series. So you got your console and everything. I already popped this out, but all you need to do is pop this out, then you pop this up. So I got some trim removal kit, like tools and stuff like that. So take it and get it right underneath here. And you're just gonna pop this up like so. I'm trying to record. I gotta clean out my car, y'all. I haven't been driving this car, so it's like really dirty. Hold on, let me use my other hand. And you just go and just pop it up like that. Oh, my bad. So you take this and you just pull it down on your gear shift, and then you got like 2 pins right here. You pull this pin out, and then your gear shift would actually come out. So try to pop the camera up to show y'all. You got this little pin. I think you squeeze. There you go. Don't lose this pin, because if you do, where am I? Don't lose this pin, because if you do, your gear shift not gonna lock back in place. You pull your gear shift up like so. So you want to put this pin. I'm about to put the pin back in the gear shift, so that way I don't lose it or anything. Then you need a screwdriver to take this out. So this is up already. So once you take it and pop it all the way up and stuff, in order to get this over the gear shift, you gotta knock the car in neutral. So switch. There you go. Just break it neutral, and then this should pull it all the way up over. And I done connected the I already connected the seat warmers, and you can't get them mixed up because they color coded to the thing. Now I gotta connect my all-wheel drive. So if you have all-wheel drive models, you have an extra let me switch. Oh, hold on, y'all. There you go. Alright, my bad, y'all. So you switch it back to park. Then if you have an all-wheel drive, like I was saying, you have an all-wheel drive, you have to take this off and then disconnect the cigarette lighter and disconnect this. So yeah, and then you take the screws out. Alright, so update. Got the centerpiece off. This right here, the cigarette lighter, took a lot of me to get out. I don't know what was going on with that. But yeah, so now I'm about to take the boot out. So you have to take these screws off. And also, since I am going to be hydro dipping, tune into my next video. I'm trying to take these parts off too. So stay tuned. But yeah.